Good afternoon, it is October 29, currently 2:14 p.m. and I know I don't sound well, I sound really sick, and if you guys remember my last week's vlog, I did mention that I was developing a cold and yeah, it went downhill yesterday, so I wasn't able to vlog Monday, although I tried, but I was just simply too tired. And I did attend a lecture yesterday from 3 to 4, and unfortunately today I wasn't able to attend my marketing strategy lecture from 1 to 2, and last night I had restless sleep. This week is relatively not as busy as the next week, which is usually when my seminars and workshops would be kind of joined with lectures. So this week, I don't have any contact hours on Wednesday tomorrow. I do have a contact hour at 9 to 10 on Thursday, and that is for my leadership module. And I do have a leadership seminar on Friday from 11 to 12. Let's hope and pray that I am okay by tomorrow, because I've got a lot going on. I've got master's applications that are still underway. Let me give you guys an update on the master's applications. I did submit my Cambridge application yesterday, last night. It is the 29th today. My plan is to crack on getting that UCL personal statement done and over with and submitting my UCL application today. And then following that, I'll be catching up with my marketing strategy week 3 lecture notes, because I haven't done that. And going back to last week's video in regards to my dissertation supervisor, I have been assigned my dissertation supervisor already, and I'm due to contact my supervisor within a week of being allocated. So I'm going to be looking over a few themes that I would like to research, and at the same time kind of narrowing that research down to one main theme that I'm kind of looking into. If you're not doing your dissertation this year or anytime soon, then just skip over this part. And then I will be catching up on my strategic management computer-based learning for week 4, keeping in mind that we're currently in week 5. So let's get started with it. Is currently 2:20 p.m. and I'm currently bombarded with lots of tasks to complete, as I can clearly see here on my Notion. And by the way, this is not sponsored by Notion, but I would love to be sponsored one day, because it's honestly a lifesaver, you know. But yeah, let's get going and we'll see how much we can complete today. guys, it is I've lost my voice because I was singing the entire time, but it is 12:20. Just got home from my friend's house and really tired. So yeah, I'll just end it off here for today. I'll see you tomorrow.
You love when the scenery is right, go right in. I wanna fall in. Don't leave me hanging just 'cause I'm too proud. Whisper away my outdated doubts. Somebody do me the courtesy, dress me down. I'm not that old yet, I'm far too young to not stand my ground. Well, my ways are mine and I don't wanna change, not even for love. Now take back all them hard words. I'm a grown man with confidence and sense. In the middle, meet me in the middle. I'm a riddle, figure me out. We'll tornadoes, we'll drink more.